And here we go. When's the last time that you saw a Hudson pickup truck? Some of you will be like, never. Like me. Look at those headlight covers. This thing's beautiful. Hudson 8. Oh, look at that. I guess alligator skin or snake skin. I'm not sure what that's called. The inserts that are fabbed up onto the dash and the seats. Very, very cool. Very tastefully done. Got a lot of street noise. We're out here by the main street here in Englewood, so let's step back and take a look at this body. Look at that. It's an amazing machine that you're just not going to see very often. Hudson Big Boy. Road Rebels, Webster, Indiana. That is so cool, man. It's the odd and rare ones like this that really set me off and capture my interest. And this is the event, Wednesday morning coffee, cars and coffee here in Englewood. What a killer truck. And there you have it. You know, it's stuff like this here at Cars and Coffee that you got to capture before they all go back up north for the summer. So, Gauze Garage. Hope you enjoyed this one as much as I did. Thank you.